Welcome back to the Lycan Project with Heather. Today I was going to cover the top 5 newbie writers' resources that I consider to be quite useful. The good thing about them is majority of them are free or very low cost. So I was going to start with this. You can't really see it. It's a library card. You should go down to your local library and get a library card. It covers a few different reasons for writers to have them. One, it helps you refill your well. So if you are writing horror, then you can go and just look at all the horror books, or you can just go and look at a range of different books and you don't have to spend any money. Also, you can then get access to non-fiction. So if you're researching or writing a fantasy that's set in the 1700s, you can see roughly what technologies there are, or historical fictions. So you can get research there as well. Also, my library puts on classes like history classes, talks from mental health professionals. So if you're looking at getting some insight, free classes as well. Also, they do author talks. So if you actually, I know mine does. So you go down, you actually get to see and talk to authors, ask questions, make connections and network. So this one little card, library card, can open a range of different opportunities for you. That being said, also, you can get craft books. So plot structures, things like Save the Cat Writes a Novel. I currently have, which is at my desk, is How to Write a Paranormal Novel, because that's what I'm currently working on, is paranormal. So it helps you with editing and plot structures and stuff. So craft books are very handy. The other book I was lucky enough to come across, and I have a copy, but this can also come from the library, is the Emotion Thesaurus. It helps deepen levels of writing. So rather than saying it gives you, physical attributes, internal attributes. So say your character is, let's look at it, disbelief. So it gives you the definition of the emotion. So disbelief is withholding belief or refusal to see the truth. So they've got physical signals and behaviours, like eyes widening, covering one's ears, repeating no, or other negatives like it's not as true. There's internal sensations, which is a tingling in one's chest, restricted breathing. Mental responses, so if they have, growing angry but not knowing where to direct it. There's acute or long-term responses to this emotion, along with signs of this emotion that is being suppressed. And then it also, if you want to keep going down disbelief and then that character spiraling in the emotion, they give you things that it might escalate to, or if you want to sort of have a situation where it de-escalates, they also give you, other emotions that you can flip to. And they also give you writing tips. So for disbelief, they go, while melodrama is usually a bad idea in fiction, it can be used effectively to characterize an over-the-top character. So that is, I have, I don't know what edition this is. Anyway, so it is one thing that I think all writers should have to really deepen. So she said angrily, well, rather than, what was it, disbelief? Defiant, disbelief. disbelieve. So rather than saying so and so, like he said disbelievingly, he was at a loss for words, unsure of what to do next. So he said disbelieving is, it also just doesn't jar, it flows nicer, so it strengthens your writing. So that's another one. A free one, and one that you're probably already on if you've here, is social media. So you're currently watching a AuthorTube video with me. Please like and subscribe, because I put out videos every Wednesday and Saturday as well. AuthorTube helps, so you can come on and get craft topics, other inspiration, people's writing processes. Instagram, so you can follow people that have hashtags like Writing Wednesdays, Character Tuesdays, and all that. Facebook, so you can connect with your local groups if you say like local writing groups. So any form of social media, you will find a writing community there. I know Twitter's got writing is a big hashtag. If you type that in, you'll find a lot of them. That's also free. And then we're moving on to the standard things you need, the most important things you need to write. This can be old-fashioned or new, is notebooks. So you need all the notebooks. So I have lots of notebooks, because I can guarantee you probably have some lying around the house to physically write, and pens, so pen and paper, or a lot of people also have access to, you can do it on your phone or a laptop. If you are writing on a laptop, I also suggest USBs, I don't know if you can see them, USBs or an external hard drive to back up your work. So these are some of the 5 tips, 5 resources I recommend that people have for writing. And I'd like to thank you, and let's use our voices to promote positive change in the world. I will put the subscribe button here for quick and easy access, along with some other videos that might pique your interest, and I'd like to thank you. And let's use our voices to promote positive change in the world. Thank you. Goodbye.